Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksports.co.uk. Not long been in from work and found this package from kind Keymaster on our UK Lock Sport forum and on YouTube. The reason he sent this package is because a week or two ago I picked this Abus padlock. It's a 40mm sort of titanium weight and it's got a swimmer's arm on it. I've never seen anything like it before. I don't think I'd uploaded the video when I saw a video that Keymaster did. He was rooting around for some locks in a jar or bucket that he had on the table, and I noticed one very similar that had a football on it, so I just happened to mention that. Mentioned this that I picked and don't think I'd got on video yet due to not having a chance to upload, and he said I could have it, which was really kind, my friend. He then sent me some private messages through the forum to say with Abus locks, sort of the home of Germany, he'd try and find some other sporting locks. So I think that's what's in there. So thank you so much and can't wait to have a look. By the way, the package is propped up with a bit of Vegemite. I think Nev, our good friend in Australia, will approve of that. My hand's still sort of quite bad, but getting there slowly but surely. Wrapped up like little Christmas presents. Amazing. Well, there's a Christmas card as well. Thank you so much, my friend. Put these there. I do hope this battery does not run out. Just a bit of cardboard in there. Thank you, Keymaster, my friend. Let's have a look. That's the card. Merry Xmas, Keymaster. Again, thank you, my friend. I'm gonna pop that because we put our tree up the other day. Pop those there. I think this one could be the football lock. And it is. Look at that. I did say they were amazing. I've not seen anything like them. Beautiful. So I've got to get my little pen knife out again and watch my fingers. The box. That one's a hockey, ice hockey. I'll try keep the boxes behind. If I'd have known they were wrapped up, I'd probably done this Christmas Day. So at least they're all saying 5 out of 10, so if I do get the boxes mixed up. Don't think it'll make a difference. I want to keep the boxes intact as well. This one is a golf. Funny enough, I play WGT golf on my mobile phone and just had a few rounds before doing this. Didn't need the knife for that. These are amazing. Yeah, 5 out of 10 again for this one. So I can keep the boxes to one side. This one is a basketball. Great addition to my Abus collection. I love the Titanium box, love Abus in general. I've got obviously quite a few up there on display. That one looks like a tennis ball. Pop the box there. Beautiful again. I'll probably get a photograph of these laid down side by side. What's this one? I'm not sure what that spot is it? Can't say offhand. Another sporting one. Trying to work out what the ball is. Sure somebody, once I put the video up, will shout out, "That's so and so sport." So thank you so much. You are an absolute gent. Look at those side by side. Like I say, I'll get photographs afterwards. They are amazing. That's the original one that I got, the swimmer. So now of these sporting locks, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the little beauties. Like I say, Keymaster, you're an absolute gentleman. Thank you so much, my friend. I know it's not a lock picking video, but if you are newbies to lock sports, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. And it looks like the basketball padlock has just fallen down there. Again, thank you so much, my friend. You are an absolute diamond.